Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the HKC MB24V9F, a budget 24-inch monitor with 100Hz refresh rate and IPS panel for under $75. HKC is a lesser-known Chinese brand, but at this ultra budget price, is it a hidden gem or cheap for a reason? So the MB24V9F delivers a 23.8-inch IPS display with 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution, 100Hz refresh rate, 5 millisecond GTG response time, 99% sRGB color average, 3-sided frameless design, and connectivity via HDMI and VGA ports. At approximately $75, this is exceptional value. You're getting an IPS panel with 100Hz for the price most brands charge for 75Hz TN panels. The MB24V9F offers an immersive viewing experience with its sleek 3-sided frameless design. Whether for work, school, or entertainment, the monitor delivers vibrant colors and crisp details thanks to FHD resolution and 99% sRGB color coverage. The 100Hz refresh rate with 5 millisecond GTG response time ensures smooth visuals, making it suitable for both productivity and casual gaming. It won't compete with 144Hz plus esports monitors, but it's a noticeable upgrade from standard 60Hz displays for everyday gaming. HKC includes flicker-free technology and a blue light filter to reduce eye strain during extended use. For budget monitors, these features are often skipped, so it's refreshing to see them included here. The ultra-thin profile and VESA-compatible design make it perfect for modest setups. Whether mounted on a wall or placed on a desk, the 3-sided frameless bezel maximizes screen real estate and looks premium despite the budget price. Whether in a work or living space, the MB24V9F is described as a stylish addition to any place in the home or office. The monitor is ultra-thin with a simple but sleek design, ideal for desks during study or work. Here's what you sacrifice at this price. Basic stand with limited adjustability, likely tilt only with no height or swivel. 5 millisecond response time isn't ideal for competitive FPS games. 100Hz, not 144Hz plus, smooth but not bleeding edge for competitive gaming. VGA port is outdated, though some still need it for legacy systems. No FreeSync G-Sync explicitly mentioned. It may not have adaptive sync for tear-free game. The low energy consumption makes the screen a conscious, sustainable choice. The combination of elegant appearance and ultra-flat design makes it an excellent model in the lightweight class, ideal for multi-screen setups. The monitor excels for students needing affordable displays for online classes, office workers wanting IPS color quality on a budget, casual gamers playing non-competitive titles, multi-monitor setups where cost per screen matters, and secondary displays for productivity. It's not ideal for competitive esports gamers needing 1 millisecond for 240Hz, content creators requiring calibration tools, and users wanting premium ergonomic stands. The final verdict, HKC MB24V9F is absolutely worth it for budget buyers. At $75, you're getting genuine IPS quality with 100Hz smoothness that punches away above its price class. The lack of premium stand, limited response time, and basic connectivity are acceptable trade-offs. It's highly recommended if you prioritize value over brand names. Just understand your buying function, not prestige. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.